birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
My father, the Restoration Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman. We join the host of heaven. We join the entire Omega Fire Ministries family worldwide. And we join the world at large to appreciate God for your life. You are a gift to us. You are a gift to our generation. And for this, we are grateful to God. Thank you for being a good father. Thank you for guiding us, for teaching us how to pray. We know how to say, my father, because you answered the call. We know how to stand and tarry long in prayer because you answered the call. Thank you for showing us love. And indeed, you have done it with a lot of example. You have showered your love to many people. And even to us, we are feeling that love today because you answered the call. And we are grateful for your life. May God continue to bless you. May God continue to keep you. May God continue to sustain you. May He clothe you with His glory all the time. And we are grateful indeed to our mother, Reverend Dr. Lizzie Johnson Suleiman, for standing with you. Thank you so much, my father. As a church, as Omega Fire Ministry Zambia, we love you so much and we are praying for you always. Long life is your portion, my father. Thank you in Jesus' name.
What do we say, church? Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you, sir. What do we say, church?